I was born on the 21st, so my question is going to be number 21. 21 is asking us to find the sum of this equation using these x's. So first, we write down the equation, but instead of putting x, we have to substitute it for -4. So it's going to be -4, and another parentheses cubed, plus -4 parentheses squared. So first, we have to solve both of the parentheses first. So it's going to be -4 cubed, which is now -64. And then -4 squared equals 16. I'm going to solve this one first next. So -64 times 2 equals -128. So plus 16. So you just subtract 16, or basically add it. So I guess 8 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. And then drop the 1 right there, and that's it. So f of -4 equals 112. -112. The next one is going to be f of -2. So it's going to be the same as the first one, but instead of putting a -4, we just use -2. So it's going to be 2 -2 cubed plus -4. Oh gosh, I mean -2 squared. So the same thing as last time is going to be the parentheses first. So it's going to be -2 cubed, which is -8. 2 plus, and then this is going to be a 4. So -8 times 2 is going to be -16 plus 4 is going to be 12. So f of -2 is going to equal -12. The next one is going to be 0, same as the other ones again. But this time it's going to put in 0 cubed plus 0. Alright, so 0 times 0 times 0 is going to be 0. So it's going to be like this, plus 0, and then 0 times 2 is 0, plus 0 is 0. So f of 0 is going to equal 0. The next one is going to be +2. So it's going to be 2 parentheses 2, and then cubed, plus parentheses 2 plus squared. 2 squared. So it's going to be 2 times 2 times 2. It's going to be 8. Plus 2 times 2 is going to equal 4. And then 8 times 2 is 16. Plus 4 equals 20. So f of 2 equals 20. Next one is going to be f of 4. So it's going to be 2, 4, and then 3 plus 4 squared. So 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4, 64. Okay, 2 plus 4 times 4 is 16. The next one is 64 times 2, which equals 128. And 128 plus 116 equals 144. So f of 4 equals 144. And these are your answers. So f of -4 equals -112. F of -2 equals -12. F of 0 equals 0. F of 2 equals 20. And f of 4 equals 144.